He tried 6 times and failed all 6. His friends laughed. His family said, "Be realistic." His bank account was in the red, and his self-confidence was shattered. But at 30, he built a company worth $1 million. Is this just a millionaire success story? No. Friend, this is the kind of story that could change your life. Welcome to our channel. And here, you'll discover real-life entrepreneur journey stories where failure is not the end, it's the beginning. Subscribe now, because this isn't just a video. This is a journey of transformation. His name is Ethan Miles. Born in Texas, in a middle-class family. His father was a truck driver, and his mother cooked at a local diner. As a child, he dreamed of changing lives through technology, but the road ahead was anything but easy. First failure, dropped out of college to build a social app. No one downloaded it. Second attempt, a ride-sharing app got crushed by big competitors. Third blow, sold his car to start a coding school. Only 2 students enrolled. Fourth failure, joined a partnership project his friends backed out, leaving him in debt. Fifth failure, launched an e-commerce site. The server crashed and all data was lost. Sixth failure, tried to build a freelancing network. Couldn't get any funding. At that point, Ethan was completely broken. No friends, no confidence, just $20 left in his bank account. One night, sitting in his car, he asked himself, "Am I truly a failure?" Just then, he received a message from an old customer. "I still use the coding tool you built. It taught me that if you don't quit, you're not done yet." That message relit the fire inside him. He decided no more rushing. This time, he would learn. He studied everywhere: Udemy, Coursera, YouTube, did freelance work by day, and studied marketing and business at night. One mantra changed his life. Never give up. Motivation means getting up every time you fall. "I'm not done yet." He noticed a huge gap in the market. Entrepreneurs need a platform built by someone who struggled like me. So he built TrueLaunch, a platform where new entrepreneurs could learn for free and launch their own products. At first, only 20 users, but within 6 months, that number grew past 1,000. With no investors, he made $250,000 in the first year, and at age 30, TrueLaunch crossed $1.1 million in revenue. People think success is something big that happens all at once, but no, it's the courage to keep going until the very end. "I'm not special. I just turned my failures into a story." This isn't just a millionaire success story. It's proof that failure isn't a stop sign. It's just a turn in the road. What is one dream in your life that you've been delaying again and again? Comment below. What's stopping you right now? Your words might become someone else's inspiration. If this story touched your heart, give it a like. Subscribe to our InspireVision channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a never give up motivation story. And always remember, you're not a failure. You just haven't finished your story yet.